Good day, I am Erica Faye Peter, and today I'll show an easy method to mend and customize clothes without the use of sewing machine, so they last longer and look great.
First, here are the materials that you'll needed. Iron, threads, yarn, scissor, needles, fabric glue, buttons, pants, and loads. Now, let's start. First is patching. Patching is for bigger holes. First step is to trim loose threads. Second, place a patch behind the hole. Third, pin it so it doesn't move. Fourth, thread needles and make a knot. Fifth, use whip stitch. Bring needle up, go over the edge, and sew around the hole. Do small and even stitches. I'm using whip stitch to attach the patch by hand. Small stitches make it stronger. Next is darning or weaving. First step is thread needle with matching thread. Second, make horizontal lines over the hole or do a ladder stitch. Last step is wave vertical lines through them. I'm waving threads to recreate the fabric. This keeps nets from getting bigger holes. Next that we are going to do is restitching. First is backstitch. This is the backstitch. It's the strongest hand stitch for repairing an open seam. First step is insert needle forward, then bring it up ahead. Second, bring needle back into the previous hole. And continue. Second is running stitch. Running stitch is simple and clean for lightweight seam. And stitching a running stitch is very simple. You just have to get the needle up and down the seam and continue. Third is slip stitch or invisible restitch for hems or small openings. Slip stitch is almost invisible and perfect for hems or closing small openings. Just insert needle inside the fold so the knot is hidden. Lastly is ladder stitch. It pulls the fabric together invisibly and it is great for closing holes. First step is to fold edges inward. Second, insert needle on one side inside the fold. Third, take a small horizontal stitch. Fourth, move to the opposite side and do another small horizontal stitch. Continue until it looks like a little ladder. Lastly, pull the thread gently until stitches disappear. Replacing fastening. Here is we're going to do the button. First step, place button on the marked spot. Second, insert needle from the back. Third, sew through holes 4 to 6 times. Fourth, wrap threads under button to form a shank. Lastly, knot at the back. Next is refixing. Refixing means repairing small loose areas. And here is a loose hem. First step is fold hem or corner in place. Use running stitch for hemming. Next is iron on fabric or iron on patch. First step is set iron to correct heat. Second, place patch on hole. Third, press firmly and let it cool. Iron-ons are fast and easy, perfect for simple fixes. Next is a pleat. A pleat is both decorative and useful for covering holes. First step is to cut a cute circle. Second, pin it on the top of the fabric. Last, use blanket stitch or whip stitch around the edge. This technique lets you fix clothes while adding design. Lastly is fabric glue or no-sew option. For temporary or quick fixes, fabric glue is an option. First step is apply glue thinly. Second, press fabric. Lastly, let it dry. This is best for costumes or areas that aren't wash often.
And that's all the method of mending clothes. And lastly, let us remember that mending is important because it helps us save money, reduce waste, and extend the life of our clothes. It also teaches us creativity and responsibility. By repairing instead of throwing away, we help the environment and make our clothes last longer. And once again, good day, and I am your cafe of Vita, and that's all. Thank you.